Chautauqua County residents are taking a stand against New York State's COVID-19 vaccine mandate for healthcare workers and calling on the county legislature to create a constitutional sanctuary. Dozens of people from across the area gathered prior to last night's legislature meeting in Mayville to express their concerns.
Our country is becoming entangled into a web of deception, betrayal, and fear. Last 2 years, we have all been in fear about COVID, but we need to reunite as one.
Last month, Cattaraugus County lawmakers passed a resolution similar to what the group's calling for.
We are asking you to stand for the rights of workers and adopt a freedom ordinance, of which we are petitioning. We have hundreds. As of today, we have over 500 signatures, and we just started the petition 1 week ago.
Asheville resident Kathy Abate was among those who gathered, calling on lawmakers to draft a constitutional sanctuary resolution.
We request Chautauqua County government to impose penalties, fines, and administrative censure on any for-profit or nonprofit business and organization which would terminate or furlough any employees or deny individuals the opportunity for commerce on the basis of their mandatory compliance with COVID-19 policies and procedures.
Continued debate, who then asked lawmakers if they would sponsor such bill, in which none responded. Not everyone at the meeting was in support of the demonstrators, including the county's budget director, Kathleen Dennison.
I am not in favor of a constitutional sanctuary. We just need to get vaccinated. Because if you don't, for all of those that you don't, you are infringing on my personal liberties to speak now, and also my personal liberty to live in a world that's free of COVID.
Several healthcare workers also spoke out, like Jamestown nurse Victoria Knapp, who was on her way to work prior to the meeting, in what Knapp said could be her last shift due to her vaccination status.
And I just ask you to consider looking at this mandate and overturning it, or going to your powers that be to help us to continue to do our jobs, because we love what we do. We love taking care of people, and we ask that you help us to continue to take care of you and your loved ones.
Knapp warning if they don't stand up to the state, the county's healthcare availability will be in jeopardy.
We're already seeing loss of services. ORs are closing down. Upstate New York also received a closure of delivering babies. And I think that's just the beginning.
This month, healthcare workers sued the state over its COVID-19 vaccine mandate, refusing to acknowledge religious exemptions. The plaintiffs argued the order violates their religious freedom. A federal judge extended a temporary restraining order against the state's requirement to October 12th. That order does not completely eliminate the state's vaccine mandate for healthcare workers, though. As of Tuesday, those who don't have a religious or medical exemption must still get the vaccine.